So these are 100 reasons why I stopped drinking alcohol. Reason number 1. One.
Uzolakhe boy asambe sophuza Joe. Asva.
Hold that thought.
You buy savannah boy. Yeah, no, that's fine. It is.
Okay guys, we'll finish this video when I come back, ne?
Baby, wait. Listen, you cannot call me now. I'm still with my wife. I'm just getting married quickly. And as soon as we're done, I'll take you to Sun City to apologize properly. Yes, I love you, my baby. No, don't worry. I do love you. Yeah, I'm just getting married quickly. It's just one of those, you know. Marry. Yeah, I love you. Bye.
N1 Polokwane, I assume. Welcome everyone, this is Mzansi's Funniest Videos. Your host is Davis Mahomo. If you are new, welcome and please do subscribe if you haven't.
And the engine license okibula na ye taxi every day. Uboishiya. Uzozila.
Uzosiza driver.
My brother.
Good drive.
Go ka thoma go kwa basadi ba re. Ai, wena o ngame, yo monna wa ngame. O tsebe gore tlhaloganyago e thoma go bereka ga botse my brother.
Kodwa yabona ama night dress namagawn esiwabona ebusuku makubanjwa isigebengu yo angcolile shema ngifuna ungasho
ukre motharo wena wa perempa
Amadoda
o check skipa fa original sir made in China sao sir China sa Hong Kong ay man ratswana man umihitita we are one
bafethu ngeke wenza umatric last year bese this year so ya graduate hayi sengiqale into manje
ya go nna telelong weekend there for wena a ile gore o na le girlfriend entle ene ga ona chelete gore ga ile gore o na le girlfriend entle ene ga ona chelete ene girlfriend ya go e rata dilo long weekend ya go nna telele brother wa utla ba re ke long weekend mara for wena ya go nna long
Ya mshana utwetse go bona ma China go Gucci ke boga.
Mona ai yona ide kaofela fetho, ai yona ide kaofela. Mona ona Gucci ya pinki isi fetho. Wa bona dimense ba batlo re khawata fela ka go chaela fetho. Wa bona dimense ba fostana ke bo mama ratang fake. Ke rona.
Rata fake.
So ba batlo re khawata ba tlo etsang ba tlo kenya di bomb tsa teng di kana fetho mo diaparong wa bona. A o lo di bona le gore he mona ba kentse bomb. Wa bona ba ka kenya mo bo di zipping so mona mo bo di phokotong wa bona mo bo di tlhakong so. Yetsa ina le tracker ID wa bona a o ikenya fela yetsa ya report go bone for okay gona le motho ritseng o yetseng o kentseng tshweletseng wa bona so ba fika mo number e ba batlang ba etsa ba e pressa ka data wa bona wena o tlo ipotsa ga o makala fela mothatsa mo strateng fela o bona motlhapo o go kola njane o bona DJ etsa e bomba a re jiki vale etsa a isana di cotton emfeto khale ke di sheba mo vitsa fanda mo fethu yo
Ka ganes vare.
mona ke besa wa khawata fethu mona ke khawatega lo a o ipotse di mase wa batla Bakersford ba ya Cape Town ka bicycle a o ipotse
Yanes vare
fethu seng fethu ke khawatega a sena zaka ona zaka fethu
wena ngifeta wena.
Gucci ya pinkies.
Cabanga ubone umuntu eza from a distance ngathubeka izandla enhloko kanti indlebe futhi yazi asikho lapho guys shukuthi uJesu ne wazalwa nge25 saka December and then walelizono zethu ngoApril ana 4 months angisho
Mambekile uJudas bekafuna ukuyothenga ini Makathengisa indodana kaNkulunkulu. Nanibhekile le mali le. Abamnike yona bekathenga ngayo. Umakota so for fish.
Hey, wait about South African.
Na etsa ga le ntho ya gore wena every day o ja magwenya le switch go seng. A go je salad. Haiwani.
Ya dura salad. Magwenya affordable. Ya chaivisa salad.
Wena, money will definitely change you. Actually, money has already changed you. And let me show you using this tin fish that money has already changed you. When you were growing up, you used to cook this thing with just 3 ingredients. Max, onions, tomatoes, and salt. I get it. Now, all of a sudden that you have money, what are you adding? You're adding things like bay leaves. You're adding things like garlic, onion powder. The normal onion, all of a sudden, is no longer enough. You want onion VSOP. You're adding things like paprika, cayenne pepper, chili flakes for seasoning. You're telling us all these years we've been eating this thing unseasoned. Wow. Wow, you want repeat? Wow, just wow. Wait up. Pretending to be broke, Mara, you can't feel me. For sure, I'm on to
uthola umsebenzi kahle uthi usayitamuza kahle imali usayitamuza kahle bese kuthiwa kubhala i-test bhala i-test yani ufuna ungixotshe emsebenzini uxotshe emsebenzini ngifuna mina ukuqukula ngiqule yonke into ngiyakwazi ukuqule yani i-test ngikwazi ukuqula ngikwazi ukusebenza futhi uma ungibhalisa i-test bese ngiyafeyila ekhaya kusamele kudliwe manje ngenxa yama-test ungibhathiselana ama-test ubungazi ukuthi ngisuke emakhaya mina ngifuna ukuqula nje ngitamuza imali hayi le ndaba ama-test angifuna i-test namalinki
unaledi aphiwe ngoba nazo ukuthi umshanami ungifonelileke ekseni wathi malume i-iPhone yami ilahlekile ngibe sengidideka ngoba emndenini sabantu abanama iPhone nje sonke ngibe sengithi mina umshana usho yipi iPhone ube eseshoke ukuthi iPhone 16 ngathi mina hayi komshana usho le yakho wathi yena yebo malume
hawu uzothiyeka
bani mina usho le yakho le asanda kuyithenga wathi yena yebo malume ngathi mina usho le engagcwazela kuyona ngo 2.5 wathi yena yebo malume ngisho yona ngathi mina hayi mshana usho le ikhokhelwa yimi insurance ngoba yimi ukhokhela insurance yale yafoni wathi hayi malume impela yona cha ngeke ngaphatheka kabi impela ngoba umshana nami ngiyazi ifoni yakhe sisanda kuyithenga kodwa ke ngingakusho ukuthi lo oyitshontshile likhona ini esitenga ake ngikhuluma into eningi lo ntshontshe ifoni kamshanami likhona ini esitenga uzovela ngombala nje ngoba asikwazi ukuthi sihambe sithengela bonke abantu ama-iPhone singahlobene nokuhlobana nabo so ya umuntu ontshontshe iPhone kanaledi umshanami uzovela ngombala siyendiyeni esitenga
indiya lenze yathumba umuntu
udomdala
yathusana ngokundi
udomdala
sisebenzile futhi kuze sifike kule ndawo school nathi like asithandi like khanga kube lula yabo but bekunyanzelekile because sibadala mfethu yabo so ndiyazi kenze yam but ndiyafuna nawe man like to say that all the best yam funeke
yeka bana moto
ndiyabonela bhuti omdala
nje yam kaloku
bhuti omdala itele kanti xakizwe imoto yakho
That friend is laughing.
No.
Guys, I don't know whether I should cry or laugh. Izolo ngiphume gym ngena la ngithatha imali ngiyaphuma ngebhara. Nangiphuma ebhara on my way back. Yo, it was already dark now. On my way back kuvela amaphara iPhone. Yo, guys, they took my phone. Remember that phone mina ngithi bayahamba like everything was happening slow. You know like ama robbery they are fast and stuff. Everything was happening slow. It was like mina bengihamba nabo laba abantu the way they were doing things. Bangithathela ifoni yami bakhipha sim card bayanginika. Yazi the second para uthi ngimi uthi your sister yazi umuhle mara stofuza ngakulotshola what you know Zulus and those praises of them. Maqatha uthi since start ifoni yakho how long is it going to take you to get a new phone cause mina uyangichama ngifuna ukuthola inamba yakho like You just took my phone and you asked me how long it's gonna take for me to get a new phone. Guys, as if that's not enough. Yes, laba abanye bayi-2 angithi lo thatha ifone lo munye ukhuluma nami laba bayi-2 they are not even participating bayadla abaphethe take away mabaqethi like yo I'm wearing a tracksuit now. Let's say this is my tracksuit. Those 2 after eating, one of them azakimi athi usule izandla zakhe yazi mangicetha ukuthi usule izandla yo athi and I'm looking at him I want to cry like, you can see that I'm scared I want to cry mangicetha ukusule izandla wangicebuza la athi uhambe kahle mama be safe umuhle and then bayajike bayahamba ne bathi usho awufuni sikuphelezele guys yo ibed like yo
good luck
I don't know whether I should cry or laugh.
Shabo blush as well. Good luck.
Mawubhekile wena. Ukhona umZulu.
All 3 of them.
Mawubhekile wena unomZulu. Hey, Bhubesi. Hey, asibani Bhubesi wamathambo. Let him go, Nto.
Bhubesi.
Damele ukhona Bhubesi. Mina Bhubesi, sithi Bhubesi.
Wakhuluma kanjani?
Thatha inhloko Bhubesi ifaka ngapha. Sohlekana le Bhubesi. Mawubhekile wena. Likhona insonga ngathi. Yee. Hey Joshua. Lokho mvakele. Hey, Bhubesi.
Is that song?
Imbodla man. Mawubhekile likhona ichaza. Mawubhekile kunachaza ngathi yo. Chiza. Jwaga.
Jwaga.
Usondela lapha Jwaga. Zisale nipho. Khawujongile iBhubesi okanye idog le.
Yazi unomntana bengijula naye. Sina 1 month esiku relationship. Ngamtext ngathi I miss you. Ovele wathi okay. Uthi hayibo. No umntwana efaka relationship eICU. Ngavele ngawucisha umshini.
1 month.
Ya shele mpahla. Wathuma izandla wathuma ihlombe. Uyayiva ke ngoku.
Thanks for making it this far, guys. See you on the next upload. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I will appreciate that a lot.
I am Tona Mara. My dad just said something very, very deep to me, and I'm not understanding. He said to me, "Sengkhanang sinthola morwalo." Please explain what that means to me. I don't get it.
Ria ubaba kumakethi isihangango sakho sisemuva kusho ukuthi ungamjwayeli ke kabi angimazi ukuthi wenzeni and angizami ukuthusa kodwa hayi uthi ungamjwayeli ke kabi sisi
Angitshele lana, what does this saying mean? Sengkhanang sinthola morwalo. I want to use it in a sentence, but I don't know how. Please explain to me. Ngiyacela, please.
Doesn't it mean ungazongijwayela amasimba or something like that?